Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to move items from one Amazon wish list to another. This is incredibly useful when you're organizing your wish lists by category or occasion, helping you keep everything neatly arranged and easy to find. First things first, open your web browser and navigate to Amazon.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account. After you're signed in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see Account and Lists in the menu bar. Hover your mouse over this option and a drop-down menu will appear with various choices. From this menu, click on Wishlist. This action will take you to your main wishlist page where you can view all the lists you've created. Now that you're on your wishlist page, you'll see all the items you've saved. Locate the specific item you want to move to a different list. Once you've found it, hover your mouse over that item. You'll notice several options appear near the item, giving you control over what you want to do with it. Among these options, you'll see a button labeled Move. Click on this Move button to proceed. After clicking Move, a small menu will pop up displaying all your available wish lists. This menu shows you every wish list you've created on your Amazon account, making it easy to transfer items between them. From this list, select the wish list where you want to move your item. Once you click on your chosen list, the item will be instantly transferred from its current location to the new wish list you selected. If you have multiple items you want to reorganize, simply repeat these same steps for each one. Hover over the next item, click Move, select the destination list, and continue until you've organized everything exactly how you want it. This process is quick and straightforward, allowing you to maintain well-organized wish lists without any hassle. And there you have it. You've successfully moved items between your Amazon wish lists, keeping your shopping organized and efficient. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.